We moved in and this is our favorite apartment. They have everything. This is kitchen and they have Steven. Huh? Steven. Steven. Look, they even have a tea. What is this? Buckwheat? Ah, it's coffee. Buckwheat. Coffee, tea. Miguel. This is our bathroom. Washing machine, microwave, flowers. Okay, these flowers I brought. Then, oh, look at the roof. Ooh. Ceiling. And we even have some view. The thing that closes us from insects. I know how to open. The view. It's 18th floor and the view is like mountain view. Nice common area. TV. This coach. Oh wow, I like this. Looks nice. I'm taking off my shoes. Big mirror here for makeups. And another window with a mountain view in Batumi. And even stove and to cook. I like that the areas are separated. Even the stove and to cook. Stove and stove to cook. And I think the babe, I think the interior is new, right? Like, looks like it's new. Even better than in the last apartment.
It's 100 times better, babe.
100 times. And a giant fridge. Right, babe? This is cool. And we have Steven! Steven for cupcakes! We're going to Cable Road in Batumi. We also took tickets for Joyroom. I think it's up there. We'll see.
The doors are open.
This cable road was cooler than in Tbilisi. Batumi's cables road is called Argo and it connects the city to Anuria mountain. The cable car is 2,586 meters long and it has 20 gondolas, with a one-way trip taking about 15 minutes. At the top, visitors can find restaurants, entertainment for all ages, and enjoy views of the city. When you are buying a ticket for the cable road, you can also buy entrance for two more entertainments, Digital Museum and Joy Room. The Digital Museum was closed that time, so we couldn't get in there, although we wanted to a lot. So we bought tickets for Joy Room and we didn't regret about it. I'll show you later the Joy Room, and for now, let's just enjoy the views from the cable road. to museum, so we went to Georgian. The view is really cool. There are different games. What's that? What's that? What's that? Brother, what's... Oh, you have to... It's like labyrinth. How? How did it do? I did... How did you do it? Let's just ignore 100 of other attempts and see my way.
Good job. Let me try this version.
Huh?
If I win first try, I'll eat the rest.
What? No. Okay.
Am I trying? Are you recording again?
Yeah.
If I get it first try, I'll eat the rest.
Good. Wait. I see you in the mirror. I know. Come. This one is real. Is there other way? Oh look, there is other way.
Okay, you go that way, I'll go this way. I'm stuck.
Really?
I guess it was the other way.
No, I don't want to get out. Gosh, where's... Babe.
You made it.
Oh my god, that was fun.
Yeah. I want your biggest. I want candy. I want candy. So this is first class.
First time, first class.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It's just us here this time.
This time. This first time. Oh, music, nice. There's music playing in first class. You know, never been. This gets me parrots on there. Parrots on the mayonnaise. And please get me salmon like this size.
Okay.
Okay, with the full power, with the full energy, because you are already international team Argo, okay? And public, please give your applauses. Come on, tashi, tempo to support our dancers. For you is dancing tonight.
Dancers.
International team Argo and Maestro, here we go. Come on, tempo with the music. Bravo,
go everywhere.
Careful. Give me space. I'm recording a video, babe.
Really?
Yo. Babe. We're gonna try to get our cable road by ourselves. Hey? Let's go with the distraction of music.